Ultrasound therapy is a cutting-edge treatment commonly used in physiotherapy to promote healing and manage pain. By using high-frequency sound waves, it penetrates deep into tissues, delivering targeted energy to injured muscles, ligaments, and tendons. So, how does it work? When applied to the skin using a specialized gel, ultrasound waves create a gentle heat in the tissues. This increases blood flow, reduces inflammation, and helps speed up the healing process. The therapy can also break down scar tissue, improving flexibility and range of motion. It's particularly effective for treating soft tissue injuries like sprains, strains, and tendinitis. In conditions like arthritis, ultrasound therapy can reduce joint stiffness and improve mobility. Additionally, it offers pain relief for chronic issues such as back and neck pain. The best part? It's non-invasive, painless, and can be combined with other treatments for faster recovery. Whether you're recovering from an injury or managing chronic pain, ultrasound therapy can be a powerful tool on your road to recovery. If you think ultrasound therapy might benefit you, consult your physiotherapist to learn more.